Good morning to you guys, good afternoon, good evening. It's morning for me. So it's 9:41. So my aunt and uncle's truck broke down. It's a 95 Ford F-150 with a 4.9 inline 6 5-speed 4-wheel drive. Pretty decent rig. Anyways, so they got it from me probably about 5 years ago now, and the only thing that's went wrong with it or broke after I got it fixed and running and all that crap. Anyways, yada yada. So the clutch went out. It wasn't even the clutch; it was the clutch slave cylinder, and those things are a pain in the ass. So I actually paid a shop to do that. Anyways, getting it bled and all that stuff. If anybody had one, you know it's a pain in the butt. So anyways, so their truck broke down the other day, 2 days ago. So they left it on the side of the road and I had to go get it and yada. Anyways, they have a couple doctor's appointments coming up, and I could, but I have a doctor's appointment coming up on Tuesday as well. A VA appointment. Anyways, new doctor. So I am going to give them a loaner rig, and all it is a loan rig until I get theirs fixed. So what happened to theirs was the timing gears on a 300 inline 6 4.9. The timing, or the, I just woke up a little bit ago. Anyways, the cam gear on it is made of fiber, so it's got 300,000 miles on it, and this is the original. So it wasn't that bad. They don't hot rod it. They don't do much like that, but they were going up a hill and it went out. Anyways, 300,000 miles for a fiber, made out of pressed fiber or some crap. I don't know what it is. Anyways, I got to replace the timing gears. So in the meantime, I'm going to let them drive the Escape. I was at the car wash and I was cleaning it out, yada yada yada, and I met a gal, mom. She has a minivan, and the tires are literally slicks. If you guys remember in my previous video, Chris and his white Yukon, you remember his tires slicks? Well, his situation was actually worse because it was wintertime driving, that's it. Anyways, she's driving slicks on hers, and she's already had one blowout, so those slicks are really, really thin. You can have a rock blow it out. It's really dangerous. Anyways, she lives in Spokane. I live about 20 miles north of Spokane. She was trying to pawn her vacuum cleaner for gas to come out here and get her tires and stuff, and then be able to go to Idaho, which is right next door, anyways, to go see her son. She was pawning her vacuum cleaner. Anyways, I don't know if she plans, we never set up a price, never told her. I did tell her about my Vets Helping Others page, but anyways, so I'm going to make this into 2 videos. This one here is going to be the introduction and how I did talk and met and we talked and all that crap. She's pretty cool. Her name's Melissa. So anyways, on the next video you'll see getting tires and stuff. So I don't like long ass videos. So basically this one was an introduction to my uncle's Ford 306. Gonna change the timing gears. and then the loner of the escape, and how I met Melissa. So, all right, I'm gonna break these all up into videos. I haven't posted for almost 2 weeks. Sorry, it's been chaotic and busy. So, anyways, this one here is gonna be the introduction, and then the other 2 videos from there. All right, thanks.